Looking to supersize your screen? Go huge with one of our LCD video wall displays.
With a super narrow bezel of only 3.5mm screen to screen,
the video wall appears virtually seamless, letting your content take center stage. Confused as to how video walls actually work? Let me make it simple. To get the screens to tile, you need a splitter to split the signal to each of the screens. Thanks to their embedded video matrix processor, you can tell each screen which part of the content to display, creating the effect of one giant screen. Our video wall display supports a wide range of inputs including HDMI, VGA, DVI and VNC inputs. These displays are built for commercial use and use a balance between an LED backlight and an LCD panel to create outstanding image quality.
our video wall displays are available in sizes 49 and 55 inch. Video wall displays come with a brightness of 500 candela.
It's undeniable that video walls can make a big impact on any space as they are hard to miss. It's never been a better time to invest in an LCD video wall.